Hi everybody, welcome to City Group of Institutions. Welcome to 25 magnificent years of academic excellence. Are you of creative nature? Do you keenly pay interest to the details of the structures? Are you fascinated by the product and planning of the structures, buildings and designs? If your answer is yes, then you are definitely destined to be an architect. The furnishing, decoration, redesigning, remodeling, restoration, reconstruction. If all these are your area of interest, then walk in to the City Institute of Architecture and Planning. Nothing can stop you from being an architect of a name and fame, because here is what we make: a glorious future. Come and explore with me City Institute of Architecture and Planning, an architecture school in the whole region which will teach you about the utility, durability and the beauty of architecture. Let's find out the courses offered, the career prospects and job opportunities. Come and follow me. If you are interested, we offer a 5-year course of Bachelor's in Architecture, that is called BArch generally. As I told you, it's a 5 years duration course. For this, you must be 12 with the non-medical, or you must have cleared the diploma in any stream. Apart from that, you must qualify the NATA test, that is National Aptitude Test of Architecture. So you have to clear the NATA, you must be 12 in the non-medical or diploma in any of the stream. If you are eligible, do walk in and explore City Institute of Architecture and Planning. Let's scrutinize the scope and the range of the course offered by City Institute of Architecture and Planning. You would be astonished to know that we will prepare you for the architectural firm, for the construction business. We will prepare you to serve in the PWD department of the state and center. We will prepare you to serve in the development of the urban planning, town planning. You would be ready to serve as art director, planner, instructor and art inspector. City Institute of Architecture and Planning has widely overpopulated library with the books of national and international reputation. You can find here the journal section of national and international coverage. BArch is all about passion and vocation. It is beautiful amalgamation of science, art and business. The course of Bachelor's in Architecture will offer you the rainbow of the job opportunities. Let's explore some of them. An architect can work in various range of departments and fields. You would be astonished to know that an architect can work as an engineer in the building and construction department, in the restoration and remodeling of the various historical projects, as a spatial production designer, as an interior designer in the city development projects, in the PWD department of state as well as the center, in the archaeological department, even in the defense services. This is the carpentry lab of City Institute of Architecture and Planning. Here, our future architects and the designers work with the safety gears, and here you will find the beautiful amalgamation of the traditional hand tools as well as highly sophisticated lab tools, machines which are technology driven. The model making workshop is provided to the students to work on the intricacies and designs of the ancient architecture and the contemporary architecture. This wide range will help them understand the needs at the global level. We also have a design cell which is particularly used to handle the projects related to the City Group of Institutions. Here, the students, the future architects, work on the intricacies related to the projects which are affiliated to City Group of Institutions. We have well-equipped and upgraded computer labs which offer our budding architects with the technical skills which are world-class. We have the softwares like CAD, AutoCAD, SoftPlan, BIM, 3ds Max, SketchUp, Punch software, Chief Archi, Vectorwork Architect, Revit Architecture, ArchiCAD. City Institute of Architecture and Planning offers you the team of academicians, researchers, and the wonderful people who have carved their niche in the society just purely on the basis of their practical approach. So this amalgamation of national and international architects, academicians and researchers is headed by architect Shruti H. Kapoor. If you want to be the architect, you can just walk into my campus or give a call for the counseling on the numbers being flashed on your screen. You are always welcome to walk in the campus of City Institute of Architecture and Planning. Talk to the experts present here and decide, because your decision will decide your future. Have a good and wonderful day ahead.